Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way 3-minute series lesson 48a, in which we will take examples of second rule of Noon Sakina and Tanween, which is to hide the sound of Noon Sakina or Tanween. Whether it's Noon Sakina or Tanween, the ending sound is same and therefore the rules are same because we are worried about what is coming after that sound. So let's take the second rule. Hide the sound of Tanween because we took Noon Sakina in the previous lesson. If Tanween is followed by any of the same 15 letters, we will hide the sound of Tanween. Alright? How? With Gunna. You know that. So let's take the first case. Tanween followed by Tha, Dha, Dha. Repeat. Ma'an thajjaja. Ma'an thajjaja. نفس ذائقة نفس ذائقة قوم ظلموا followed by تعدط جنات تجري قنوان دانية قوما طاغين because ta is very thick and high, your Tanween sound also will be thick and high. Followed by za sin sad. كل زوجين قولا سديدا عملا صالحا sound will be very thick and high because of sad. عملا صالحا. Tanween followed by Jeen, Sheen, Fa. فصبر جميل نفس شيئا خالدا فيها don't say خالدا. Okay, خالداً فيها. Be ready to say fa and do the gunna. Tanween followed by dha, kaf and qaf. قوما ضالين رزق كريم شيء قدير. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.